السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله إلى آله وصحبه وسلم. أما بعد، يا سعادة الكريم سعادة الكريمات، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. So you all are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. By name Muhammad Yaqub, Wilayat in Nigeria. So like as we are discussing last time, my last video, this is where we stop in our last video. So you've treated this number one, which I said to be tariq, which is also called via in European Geomancy, which means change. So when I say tariq, it's talking about journey, road, the traveler, transportation, the pattern, moving out, relocating, anything concerning moving. That's what tariq is talking about. When you check about someone and it's talking about tariq, so at times it means that the person should move from where he or she is, or it means that this person is on a journey. So it depends on what comes after it. So we are still going on that by the grace of God. So we'll be going on the second number two here, which is the Jama'a, which is this. So that number two, call it number two, something like this. This is what we call Jama'a. And then in the European Geomancy, you call it populus, which means people. This is what it means in European Geomancy. So, but in Ilm Al-raml, it's called Jama'a. I don't know if you are understanding it. In the Ilm Al-raml, science of the soil, it's called Jama'a. So then what's this Jama'a talking about? It's talking about gathering of people. It is talking about crowd. It is talking about big city. It is talking about coming together. It's talking about meeting. It's talking about general public. Like for instance, when you do a work and it gives you a Jama'a, when it gives you Jama'a, it's told that, okay, for instance, you walk about Abdullah. Yes, you walk about Abdullah and it gives you Jama'a. It shows that, okay, Abdullah is in a gathering, or Abdullah is in a meeting, or Abdullah is in a big city. Or for instance, when you ask, where is Abdullah? And it gives you Jama'a, shows that Abdullah is in a big city, Abdullah is in a gathering, Abdullah is in a meeting, Abdullah is in the midst of people, Abdullah is in crowd. Are you getting it? For instance, if you ask, okay, this container was about the container and it gives you Jama'a, shows that, okay, this container is containing something of gathering, as in not just one contained. Like for instance, as we said, number one is tariq. We say tariq. Number one, this is tariq. Say number one is tariq. Then after this tariq, you move it and you turn your sand again, and you darib your sand again. Then and it gives you Jama'a after the tariq. Shows that, okay, this person now is going to attend a meeting. I don't know if you're understanding it. Like if this tariq, the via, the one called via in a European Geomancy, tariq, which means change, then after you turn your sand, or you make your calculation first and it gives you tariq before, then after giving you tariq, it gives you then you do it again and it gives you Jama'a, shows that, okay, you you are checking on Abdullah. It's Abdullah you are checking on, and it's supposed to give you tariq. After giving you tariq, you recheck it again, and it gives you Jama'ah. I don't know if you are understanding. As it gives you Jama'ah, it shows that okay, this Abdullah is going to attend a meeting, or this Abdullah is traveling to a big city. Do you understand? This is about calculation and understanding. This Abdullah is traveling to a big city, which is when you talk how far about Abdullah, it gives you tariq. Then you check again, and it happens that it gives you Jama'ah. It shows something there. It means this Abdullah is traveling to a big city, or this Abdullah is going into a meeting, going to attend a meeting, or will be attending a meeting, or this Abdullah is going to where there is crowd, go into the market. Yes, a place of crowd, going to attend an occasion. This tariq here shows that the Abdullah is moving. The Abdullah is going to be on movement. Do you understand? It shows that this Abdullah is going to be on a movement. So this is for Jama'ah. Are you understanding? So from this Jama'ah, inshallah, we are going to in this video, subsequent videos, we are going to do 2 because you know it is 16 in number. It's all 16 in number. So we've already covered the second one now, which is we've covered tariq, which is the first one, and we've covered Jama'ah, which is the second one. So in this sequence that I'm doing it doesn't mean that it is like this everybody is doing it. I'm the one that decided to put my number 1 as tariq, number 2 as Jama'ah, number 3 as whatever. Are you getting it? So people also give their own different number they like. It doesn't matter. So let's check on the number 2. So inshallah, we are going to check on number 3. We are going to the number 3. So already covered number 2, which is the Jama'ah. We've covered number 1, tariq. Number 2, Jama'ah. And number 3 is what we call Nasr al-Dahila. Nasr al-Dahila. Nasr al-Dahila is also called Fortuna Major in the European Geomancy, which means success. So this number 3, Nasr al-Dahila. This is a symbol for Nasr al-Dahila. Nasr al-Dahila. Nasr al-Dahila. Dahila. Nasr al-Dahila. So in the European Geomancy is called Fortuna Major. Fortuna Major, which means success. Success. This is what we call Nasr al-Dahila. Nasr al-Dahila. It means so Nasr al-Dahila means inward victory, absolute happiness, success in all domain, fulfillment of all desire, fortune, money. In all the aspect of Ilm Al-raml, this geomancy, this divination, Nasr al-Dahila is the most beautiful sign. It's the most look up to sign, as in like when you are having Nasr al-Dahila, it shows that yes, when you see Nasr al-Dahila, you are happy. Are you getting it? It means inward victory. That is a victory that is coming in. Some people call it, that's why in this European Geomancy they call it Fortuna Major. Are you getting it? Although there's also Fortuna Minor, but yeah, it's Fortuna Major. Are you getting it now? So this is a Nasr al-Dahila. When you have Nasr al-Dahila, it's talking about okay, something good is coming, money is coming, good fortune is coming. This thing you're about to do is going to be success. Like for instance, okay, I'm going to take an exam. As I'm going to take an exam, it gives you Nasr al-Dahila. and it gives you a Nasra Dahila. It shows that okay, this exam is going to be success. Are you with me? It gives you a Nasra Dahila. It shows that this exam is going to be what? Success. I don't know if you're understanding. So now, for instance, you're traveling. You say, okay, I want to travel, and then how is this traveler going to be? This person is traveling, how is it going to be? And it gives you a Nasra Dahila. It shows that it is going to be successful. I don't have anything to worry about it again. That's what Nasra Dahila is talking about. Fortuna Major. I got it. So let's connect it with the first two we've already did. Like for instance, you work on Abdullah, and it first gives you Tariq, which is via. Okay, Abdullah is about traveling. Abdullah is about moving. Then you do it again, moving to where, or do it again, and it gives you Jama'a. Okay, it shows Abdullah is traveling to a city, or Abdullah is moving to a gathering. Abdullah is going to a meeting. Are you getting it? Okay, now, so Abdullah is traveling to a city now. So you do it again, you turn it again, and it gives you this. So it gives you this, which is Nasra Dahila, which is number 3 now. Shows that okay, this journey Abdullah is about to embark on now, the city he is going to now is going to be successful. What he is going to look for there, he will see it. That is the essence of this Nasra Dahila. Or you first do Tariq, then after Tariq you go again and it gives you Nasra Dahila. It shows that this person is moving to success. This person needs to move to success. This person now, if he move now, he will be successful. Like you are living in a particular area and you ask, this particular place or this job I'm doing now, what do you think about it? And it gives you Tariq. Then after the Tariq, it gives you Nasra Dahila. That shows that okay, you should move from where you are presently. Then you will be successful. You will be victorious. I don't know if we are following in here. Move from where you are presently, then you will be successful. So that's the essence of Nasr ad-Dahila, which means Fortuna Major. If you just want to translate it into English from this Arabic, and Nasr ad-Dahila, which is help, as in a help that is coming inside, that is inward victory, inward help that is coming into you. That's the meaning of Nasr ad-Dahila. So I think from here we are able to say that we've covered enough for the day. So I hope we are following. I hope you understand everything. So feel free to check me out on WhatsApp at 081 63 57 26 2681. 081 63 57 2681. So feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. I will explain to you. So, but please, when you are coming, come with a very reasonable question. An unreasonable question, I will not even reply you. So make sure you watch to the end. Thank you very much. We have enough videos in our YouTube channel, so do us well by subscribing to our YouTube channel and make sure you watch our videos. Then click on the notification button, and so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be able to get it first hand. Thank you very much. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please do subscribe. Please. Thank you very much. The subscription is free. Just click on the subscription button there. That's all. You don't need anything. You don't need to do anything again. Thank you, and God bless you all. Jazakumullah khairan, khair jazaa. Thank you very much.